Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up Google Family Link in 2025 to help manage your child's digital safety. So first of all, you need to download and install your Google Family Link application from Google Play Store or App Store, one for the parent and one for the child's device. Then you need to open this application in your phone and sign in with your Google account just like so. Then it will ask, does your child have a Google account? So if your child have a Google account, simply select the yes option. Then go to settings. For Android devices, go to Google, then Parental Control. For Chrome OS, go to People, then Parental Control, and follow further on-screen instructions to set up parental controls, and you are done. Now if your child don't have that Google account, you need to create a new one, and in order to do it, simply press the no button, then select the next button, and over here you need to provide your child's first name, last name. Basically you are going to create a new Google account for him. Then you need to follow the steps in order to link both of the devices using a code. Once it is linked successfully, you need to set the screen time limit, approve or block the applications and downloads. You can see your child's location if enabled, and you can filter Google search and YouTube content as well. It is the perfect tool to guide your child's online safety while giving them safe independence. So if this helped you, give it a like, hit the subscribe button and share it with other parents. Thanks for watching.